Open the ISS application in your device. To start Schedule 3, go to the Schedules section and scroll to Schedule 3 and click on Start Schedule. Please note, if the selected year and season are incorrect, update the survey year and season using the respective drop-down menu. Now click Start Schedule. Here you will see a summary of Schedule 3, total number of samples to be drawn in the particular year, number of samples to be drawn in this season, number of households in which Schedule 3 or 4 or 6 are to be canvassed. The data for Schedule 3 is collected each month. Click to select the particular month in the season. Here you will see the list of selected villages and urban wards for detailed survey. Please click on Proceed placed next to the village or urban ward. Now click on 3 next to the household or enterprise. This will start the survey for Schedule 3. Schedule 3 is divided into 7 sections, Block 1 to 6 and Summary. Block 1 is general information about village or urban ward. Details like household, owner name, contact number, period of survey, state name, district name, block name, village name or urban ward name, sector, census code, subsample number will be displayed here. These details are automatically fetched from the information entered during Schedule 2 survey. No need to enter any information in this block. After verifying the details, click on Next to switch to Block 2. In this block, enter particulars about the family, number of adults and children. Here, enter details about utilization of milk. Provide entries as yes or no for respective fields. Now click Add Animal Records to add details about the animals found in the household. Please note, on clicking Add Animal Records, the animal list is populated automatically from the data entered in Schedule 2. Only in-milk animals are displayed here. This list cannot be altered and details of each animal has to be provided. Fields for the particular animal group. Enter number of in-milk animals on the day of visit. Please click Save button. Please note, these details are to be provided for each animal and each group. After providing details of an animal group, click Save to save the records for that animal group. A tick mark will be displayed against the animal group. If you select another animal group without saving the data entered for the previous animal group will be lost. One can edit a record by selecting the animal group from the animal list and edit the fields, followed by clicking Save. If there are multiple animal groups in the household or enterprise, the information pop-up will also show a list of pending animal groups. Block 3 is to capture milk yield of individual animal on the day of visit. Now, depending on the selected animal in the above field, details of 2 animals are to be provided. Click on an animal to fill the details in the fields listed below. Enter name of breed, breed code, number of calves born, number of lactations. Select calendar month of last calf born. Here, provide details of milk yield in kgs for morning, noon, and evening. Below this, the day's total of milk yield is calculated automatically and displayed. Please note, 2 records for each animal group are to be provided. After providing these details, click Save to save the record. An information pop-up will be displayed. If there are multiple animal groups in the household or enterprise, the information pop-up will also show a list of pending animal groups. Click Save. The data is added successfully. A tick mark is displayed against the animal groups for which the records have been saved. One can edit the records by selecting the saved animal from the animal list and editing the fields, followed by clicking Save. Click Save. Block 4 is to capture details of average daily feed consumption during last 30 days. Select animal group. This is same as the list displayed in the previous block. Click on the animal group to display its categories in the next field. Here the categories of the selected animal are displayed here. Click on an animal category to fill its details in the below listed fields. Now enter feed consumption and other details. Enter number of animals. Select type of feeding. Please provide details of amount of feed consumed for each type feed. Green fodder, dry fodder, feed commercial, concentrate. Now enter hours of grazing. After adding the above entries, click Save, which will display an information pop-up denoting that the record has been saved. The user can click Continue for adding details of more categories or click Next to go to next block. Block 5 is to capture details of utilization of milk produced on the previous day in kg. Enter total milk produced on the previous day. If milk of selected animal has been purchased, click Add Purchase Record. This will display purchase detail fields. Provide details of the milk purchased, quantity in kgs and rate rupees per kg and click Add Record. The data is added successfully. This will save the record and will update the value displayed against the total quantity of milk purchased, followed by a card displaying the record. Please note, if milk is purchased at different rates, purchase record should be entered for each rate of purchase. For this, the user can click Add Purchase Record to add a new purchase record. Enumerator can click on Update button to update the record. Similarly, enumerator can click Delete button to delete the record. If any sale of milk has been done, click on Add Sold Record. This part is similar to the purchase record. Provide the fields and click Add Record. This will update the value displayed against the total quantity of milk sold, followed by a card displaying the record. These can also be updated and deleted in a similar manner as that for purchase record. Now please enter milk conversion and consumption details. Please provide entries for quantity kept for consumption into milk products. Enter quantity consumed in the household or enterprise. After adding the above entries, click Save to go to the next block. Block 6 is to capture the utilization of dung collected on the previous day. Click on the animal to enter its details. Provide entries for the number of animals, number of adults and young. Here, provide details about the quantity of dung produced. Enter total number of baskets per buckets. Enter weight per basket per bucket in kg. Enter total weight of dung produced in kg. Now enter the quantity of dung used for the below purposes: for dung cakes, for manure, for other waste such as biogas. Enter the above details for an animal and click Save. This will display an informational pop-up denoting that the records have been saved successfully. Click on Continue to add entries for another animal, or click View Summary to save the entries and to display the summary page. On the summary page, the details of each animal can be reviewed. After reviewing the details, click Finish to complete the Schedule 3 survey. To confirm the submission, click Confirm, else click Back. All these steps are to be repeated for each household. After all the households available for this schedule are canvassed, click on Mark Schedule Complete. An informational pop-up will display the number of selected surveyed household and will ask for a confirmation for marking it as complete. Please note, once Mark Schedule is clicked, no more changes can be done. The same steps will be followed in order to fill the data for other rounds. Similarly, the same steps will be followed in order to fill the data for remaining villages and urban wards. This is the end of Schedule 3.